Hey, hi, my dear young wonders. Are you able to listen me? Wait, let me put on my headphone. Yeah. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Srujal's Creation. And as you can see from the title of this video, and as you can see it on the screen as well, I am here with today. I would be telling you about the divisibility rules. So yeah, okay. Acha. A is the concept of divisibility rules in 45 minutes. Now, why I'm telling you 45 minutes? Because I've also plussed your revision in that. Okay, like I think this session would be, I think of 20 minutes. मिनिमम 20 मिनट्स है ना, तो आप 20-25 मिनट्स में आप कुछ तो रिवीजन कर लोगे ना, तो इसीलिए मैंने आपके लिए ऐड कर दी 45 मिनट्स. ठीक है. सो ओके, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. अच्छा, उससे पहले आपके लिए एक आईक्यू वाला क्वेश्चन है. ओके, तो इंटेलिजेंट क्वेश्चन, आईक्यू. हाँ, आईक्यू लेवल. लेट्स चेक योर आईक्यू लेवल. यू हैव टू टेल मी दैट व्हिच बटरफ्लाई विल रीच द फर्स्ट. ओके, which butterfly will reach the first? Will it be A, B, C, D or E? Which butterfly will reach first, okay, to the fly? Okay, have you guessed? You can pause the video and tell your answers in the comment. But for now, I'm telling you the answer, and it is yes. Correct option is B. Okay, B would like do it. Okay. See, I have drawn the paths of them. Like for example, now A is going from here. Now I'm also this laser point is of red color, so I don't want that to be happening. So yeah. Okay. So over here, this over here, it is starting. She is starting from here, here, and the path is closed. Right? So she cannot reach. Okay? She cannot reach in any way to the flower. Okay, let's check of C. Now C starts from here like this, and this again, like it just यहाँ तक ये पहुँचती है, फिर उसका पाथ बंद हो जाता है, तो C भी करेक्ट ऑप्शन नहीं होगा. राइट? तो नेक्स्ट D और E बाकी है. तो ई का अगर हम लोग यहाँ से जाए तो वैसे ही उसका रास्ता बंद होगा, तुरंत ही बंद होगा. तो एक स्टेप चला बेचारा, उसके तो भी हो गया. सो नाउ ऑप्शन डी, ये इधर से गए, इसका भी पाथ बंद हो गया. देखो ये है ना, इसका भी पाथ बंद हो गया है. ठीक है. और बी का अगर आप देखोगे तो यहाँ से आप यहाँ पे ये चलेगा यहाँ तक चलेगा, और ये फ्लावर तक ये फ्लावर तक पहुंच जाएगा. दैट इज ठीक है. और आप उससे भी आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते थे कि ये जो है ना, यहाँ पे ये थोड़ा सा खुला हुआ है, ये पार्ट ना आपको दिख रहा है, ये जो थोड़ा सा पार्ट है ना, ये खुला हुआ है और कहीं से खुला नहीं हुआ है. या तो अगर कोई यहाँ से बटरफ्लाई यहाँ पे पहुंच गया, लेकिन वहाँ कोई बात नहीं कि वो वहां तक ऐसे पहुंच जाए. ठीक है. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन वुड बी बी. राइट? नाउ लेट्स प्रोसीड. ओके, सो this is Asma, and she has gone to Karan, and she asked, "Hi Karan, can you tell is 6 divisible by 2?" So then Karan says that, "Hi Asma, yes, 6 is divisible by 2. Now I want you guys to tell that is 6 divisible by 2? Of course it is, because we know some divisibility rules. If we also don't know it, because we have already, like we are in class grade 4, 5 or 6, I don't know which grade students are watching this video about divisibility rules, but it is applicable for all, like from second it can start. So we can say that divisibility, even if you don't know, we know that in the table of 2 we all have learned, right? So in the table of 2, 6 comes, like 2 3s are 6, right? Now we did. Okay, but now Asma asks, now she's wondering, she's confused, but how did you know that? Now Karan says there are rules to check divisibility. Okay, there are rules to check divisibility. Now again Asma gets confused and she goes to John. She asks him, "Hi John, do you know the rules of divisibility of numbers?" Then John said that, hi Asma, not all but few of the numbers. मतलब उसको सिर्फ सारे numbers के नहीं पता divisibility rule, but कुछ ही का पता है ना. Now अब ये तीनों मिलते हैं और ये बोलते हैं let's ask our teacher, which is me, Srujal, and he will. I've just written he today, he yesterday, so पता नहीं मेरा दिमाग कहाँ था, मुझे she लिखना चाहिए था actually. She will definitely give us the rules to check divisibility. Moving on to the simple tap activity. You can tap on your phone, but you cannot actually. It's not a live class. ठीक है ना? So now I'm asking that question that if we divide 6 by 2, will we get 0 as a remainder? Not like we will get 0 as a remainder, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? If we divide 6 by 2, ठीक है? You just do the division and just like say just see that if the remainder, that is the remaining part ना, जैसे माइनस करते हैं ना, तो जिसको रिमेनिंग पार्ट है उसको रिमाइंडर कहते हैं. तो अगर वो रिमाइंडर 0 है तो आप यस पे यस समझ लेना, और अगर वो नो है तो अच्छा. लेट मी टेल यू द करेक्ट आंसर, एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज यस, बिकॉज 6 is completely divisible by 2. When we divide 6 by 2, we will get 0 as a remainder, so hence 6 is divisible by 2. Okay. Next question for you all, it is if we divide 12 by 5, we will get 0 as remainder, yes or no? When we will divide, let's do the division, and if we divide 12 by 5, ठीक है, so we will get 0 as a remainder, yes or no? Correct answer is no, of course not. Okay, so when we divide 12 by 5, we will get 2 as a remainder. You can check it on in the rough copy as well. And hence 12 is not complete. It is divisible, but it is not completely divisible by 5. Okay, now let's discuss divisibility. Now Karan has asked me, and he has just telling us the meaning of divisibility, the definition of divisibility. So divisibility. Actually, my pen got fallen from which I write. Yeah. So divisibility means after dividing one number by another. ठीक है? So when we divide one number, so divisibility means after dividing the number by another, we always get 0. ठीक है? We will always get 0 as a remainder. Okay. Understood now divisibility? What does divisibility mean? Now we will move to the rules of divisibility rules. So first let's check about divisibility rule of 2. ठीक है? So it says that a number is divisible by 2 if it has any one of the digits that are listed, that are bold. Sorry, that are, I have colored it in, actually wait, yeah, it has been colored in this form, 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay, so what does that mean? Like if a number ends in 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, it is divisible by 2. Okay, it is divisible by 2. Okay, understood now? Understood. Okay, so now we would be understanding about, like, let's take some examples. Okay, so my headphone is broken today. See, तार निकल गया इसका, बहुत डांट पड़ेगी मम्मा से, छुपा के रखते थे इसे. अच्छा अच्छा चलो ठीक है, हम लोग लेट्स डिस्कस इट. Okay, so now let's see some examples that are 10. Now 10 is ending with the number 0. Okay, so now we know that yes, sorry, 0, it is ending with 0, and we see that you can just note it, and these all numbers you know na, they are divisible by 2. Okay, so 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are divisible by 2. So yeah, ठीक है, so 112 is also divisible by 2. Okay, because it is ending with 2, it is also divisible by 2. ठीक है, 134, it is ending with 4, Yes, it is divisible. 1566, it is ending with 6. It is divisible by 2. 1078, it is ending with 8. Yes, of course it is divisible by 2 and etc. Okay. Now let me just test you that I have taught the divisibility rule of 2. Huh? So, yes. So, is 18 divisible by 2? Completely. Okay, what does divisibility means? If we divide one number from other, we should get 0 as a remainder, right? We should get 0 as a remainder. Okay? We should get 0 as a remainder. So, now you divide 18 by 2. Will you get 0 as a remainder? If you will not get 0 as a remainder, it is false. If you will get 0 as a remainder, then it is true. And let me tell you the answer, it is true. Because if we divide 18 by 2, we will get 0 as a remainder. And yes, it comes in table also. In the table of 2 it comes, right? 9 2s are what? Sorry, 2 9s are 18. So, it is true. Now, there's a quiz time and we have written it over here. Quiz time. ठीक है. Which one of the following numbers is not divisible? Is not. Just ना ये आप word याद रखो. Not. अगर not आप ignore कर दोगे ना तो सारा का आंसर ही गलत हो जाएगा पूरा. Is not divisible by 2. Not divisible by 2. ठीक है. Option A 1104. Option B 2777. Option C 2906. Option D 3444. Acha, I have not displayed the correct answer because it's so easy, my dears. See, first option 1104, it is ending with 4. Now it means that it is divisible by 2. Let's check option C, 2906, it is again ending with 6, so it is divisible by 2. Option B, 2777. Now we didn't, sorry. Now we didn't study that it should end in 7. It should end in 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Right? Does this list consist of 7? No. So of course B is the correct option, that 2777 is not divisible by 2. 2777. Let's check the option D as well. 3444. 4 is ending. This number is ending with 4, right? So it is divisible by 2. Moving on to the divisibility rule of 3. It's so easy, right? Now, this is a little bit tricky. Not tricky because I was just joking. See, if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3. If the sum of the digits, जैसे मैंने नंबर लिया 75, तो अगर हम लोग 7 और 5 को प्लस करेंगे तो कितना आएगा? 12 आएगा, राइट? तो ठीक है, तो if the sum of the digits क्या है 75 का? 12 आया. मैं वैसे नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं उसके जो डिजिट्स 7 और 5 इंडिविजुअली उसको मैं प्लस कर रही हूँ. कितना आया? 12 आया. याद रखो अपने माइंड में. इफ द सम ऑफ द डिजिट्स ऑफ द नंबर्स डिविजिबल बाय 3, जो आपका सम आया उन डिजिट्स का, अगर वो 3 से डिविजिबल है, देन द होल नंबर विल बी डिविजिबल बाय 3 इटसेल्फ. नाउ 7 + 5 कितना था? हमने 12 किया था. 12 क्या 3 से divisible है? Of course yes. 3 4s are 12, right? So now if this 12 is divisible by 3, so 75 would also be divisible by 3. Okay? So now example, let's check if 135 is divisible by 3. Now let's just add up the digits that are used in this number, that is 1, 3 and 5. So if we add 1 plus 3 plus 5, that is equal to 9. Okay? Right? So 9 comes in table of 3. 3 3s are 9, right? So hence 135 is also, this whole number is also divisible by 3. Right? So easy now. Easy, please. Lemon squeezy. Okay, so numbers that is divisible by 3 are 7 and 5, 75, right? I have already told you. 108, if we just sum of the digits, what would be? 1 plus 8, 9, because 0 we don't have that value. 9, so 9 is also divisible. It is divisible. 84, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 is divisible by 3. 84 is also, just in 1 second, चुटकियों में आपका आंसर निकल के आएगा. 66 plus 0, 6, 6 divisible है, 60 divisible, etc. Now, okay, now I will test you that I have told you that about the divisibility rule of 3. So now, is 18 divisible by 3? Yes or no? If we will get 0 as a remainder of this division method, then we can conclude that yes, it is divisible. Okay, it's completely divisible, not divisible but completely divisible. Okay, let's check the answer. We divide 18 by 3, we would get what? 3 6 are 3 6 are 18, right? So itself it comes in the table of 3. We do not have to add it as well, right? It is for the big grades, okay, like 6 7 and 8, 5 also we can, but for 2 3 and 4 grades, okay, like classes जो हैं 2 3 4 वो आप प्लस करके देख लीजिए. मैं उनके लिए भी समझा देती हूँ. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9 and 9 is divisible by 3 because 3 3s are 9. So the whole number 18 is also divisible by 3. Moving on to the divisibility rule of 4. A number is divisible by 4 when last two digits. मतलब that is that the digits at tens place and ones place. Ones place and tens place. At the one place is together are divisible by 4. अगर मैं कोई ऐसे लेती हूँ 524 जो एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे है is divisible by 4 as 24 is divisible. Now check the last two digits. ठीक है, check the last two digits 2 and 4, right? So 2 and 4 24. ठीक है, तो 24 is divisible by 4, right? 4 4s are 24. So this whole number, this big number of 3 digits is also divisible by 4. ठीक है, numbers that are divisible by, there are some examples of it. 112 यानी 112. If we see the last two digits ones and tens, 12. So 12 is also divisible by 4. How? 4 3s are 12. 208. 0 8. 4 2s are 8. So what should we say? That this number is also divisible by 4 because 208 8 comes in the table of 4, right? 8 comes in the table of 4. So it is also divisible. 328 28, it comes in the table of 4, right? So it is also divisible. Moving on to the next quiz, that is which of the following is divisible? Is divisible, not divisible. It is divisible. Which of the following is divisible by number? By the number 4. So easy ना? It can screen पे दिख रहा है, कुछ करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. A4, B6, C10, D18. Of course the answer is 4, my dears. That is why I didn't apply the method also over here. एक ही डिजिट उसमें क्या आप 2 डिजिट्स कर लोगे? एक ही डिजिट उसमें 2 डिजिट आप कहाँ से चेक कर लोगे? खुद ही 4 1 4 4 तो ऑफ कोर्स 4 होगा, है ना? और नंबर फैक्टर्स मल्टीपल्स आपको मैं पढ़ाऊंगी, ठीक है? भी आएगा वीडियो, जल्दी आएगा फैक्टर्स मल्टीपल्स पे, तब आपको ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आ जाएगा. वैसे ही तो बड़े ग्रेड्स के लिए तो इतना इजी पीजी होगा, सेकंड क्लास का बच्चा भी समझ जाएगा क्यों वहाँ पे 4 आंसर है. डिविजिबिलिटी रूल ऑफ 6, ठीक है? Now moving on to the divisibility rule of 6. मैंने 5 का नहीं किया क्योंकि 5 को इतनी इजी है ना. The numbers that are ending with 0 and 5, ठीक है, 0 and 5, they are divisible by 5. Okay, now if I say 505, ठीक है, तो 505 is ending with 5, so it is the whole number 505 is divisible by 5. If I say 190, it is also divisible by 5 because it is ending with 0. Divisibility rule of 6. Now, if a number is divisible by 2 and 3, both, I'm just pressurizing the word both, then the number is divisible by 6 also. ठीक है? Now, let's take the example of 66. Now, we have to check if will it be divisible by 2 and 3, both. एक से नहीं, दोनों से बिल्कुल. वो completely, ठीक है? So 2 and 3 का हम लोग ने divisibility rule हमने पढ़ा है ना? तो 2 से वो divisible है क्योंकि 6 end हो रहा है उससे. 66 6 end हो रहा है तो वो 2 से divisible. चलो ठीक है. 3 से भी वो divisible क्योंकि उसका sum of digits करूँ तो 6 plus 6 12 है ना? And 3 4s are 12, right? So this number is both divisible by 2 and 3. So the whole number, the 66 is also divisible by 6. So it means the 66 is also divisible by 2, 3 and 6 both. Okay, let's take the example of 18. So 18 is divisible by 2 and 3 as well, both of them. So it is also divisible by 6. Numbers that are divisible by 6 are 66, 78, 96, 114, and etc. Moving on to the quiz time, that is, which number is not divisible? Just don't ignore this word not, because if you will ignore it, you will lose the answer. Which number is not divisible by 6? Not divisible. Just check, apply the method what I told. Yeah. Wait. I told that if a number is divisible by 2 and 3, both then the number is divisible by 6 also. Okay? So this is the question. Now option A 91, option B 78, option C 84, option D 120. Okay? So now option A 91. See, let's check if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Now it is not ending with any of the digits that we studied in for the divisibility rule of 2. What were the digits? 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Right? It is ending with 1. That is an odd number as well. Right? Okay? It is an odd number. The last digit that is ending with it is 1, right? So it is not divisible by 2 और 3 से वो divisible भी होगा तो उससे कोई matter नहीं करता है, क्योंकि वो 2 और 3 both से divisible होना चाहिए. तो ये तो option कट गया. Option B 78. Now 8, see 78 is ending with 8, so it is divisible by 2. Let's check if it is divisible by 3 also. 7 plus 8 is what? What is it? Now you will answer this question. Moving on to the next question we have is, you will tell this answer in the comment section below. Now, which of the following pair is divisible by 6? Remember that 6 should, that number that you are saying that it would be divisible, it should be both divisible by 2 and 3. Okay? Option A 42,062 and 4,262. Option B 3,464. Option C 3,868. Option D 3,666. Let's check. Option A 4,262. It is ending with 2. It's divisible by 2. 3. Now let's check the sum of it. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 2 12. 12 plus 2 14. The 14 is not divisible by 3. So it is also not divisible by 6. Option B 3,464. So 4. It is ending with 4, so it means that it is divisible by 2. Let's check if it is divisible by 3. Now 4 plus 3 is 7, and yes, 7 plus 6 14. 13, and 13 plus 4 is 17. So 17, it is also not divisible by 3, so this option also cut. Okay, so option C 3,868. Okay, it is ending with 8. It is divisible by 2. Now you can see that all the numbers that are given in the option, they are all divisible by 2. Let's check if it is divisible by 3. Now option C 8 plus 3 11. 11 plus 8 19. And 19 plus 6 is 25. So 25 is also not divisible by 3, right? Now the option that is left with us, option D. So it is divisible by 6. Let's check it also, right? It is divisible by 2 as it is ending with 6. So 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 6 15, and 15 plus 6 is 21. So 21 is divisible by 3, right? 3 sevens are 21. Okay, so the correct option would be option number D, that is 3,666 is completely divisible by 6. Now moving on to the divisibility rule of 9. Okay, if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9, then the number will be divisible by 9 itself. It is same as the rule of 3 we studied now. What we studied, that if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3, then the number will be also divisible by 3 itself. So now over here it is saying that if sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9, then number will also be divisible by 9 itself. Now 225. Let's check if 225 is divisible by 9. So let's check the sum of these digits. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 5 9. So 9 is also divisible by 9. It comes in the table of 9, right? 9 ones are 9. So it is divisible by 9. Some examples of the numbers that are divisible by 9 are 72, 99, 108, 135, etc. Now this is the last rule. Okay, no, sorry. Actually, we have some. Yeah, okay. This is the last rule, divisibility, last rule of divisibility. So it is of 10. If it's so easy, it's very easy. If a number is having 0 at one's place, then it is divisible by 10. अगर 0 उस पे end हो रहा है, वो number 0 से end हो रहा है, वो 10 से divisible है. 20, 70, 110, 1200, 50 0 है. एक सेकंड भी नहीं लगेगा, वो 0.1111 सेकंड लगेगा. Is 8 actually I don't want to laugh, but yeah. Is 1895 divisible by 10? Is 1895 divisible by 10? So just see, if it is ending with 0, it is divisible by 10, but it's not ending with 0, it's ending with 5, so the answer would be no, because as the digits at one's place is not 0, hence the number is not divisible by 10. See, अगर यहाँ पे हम लोग लिखा होता is 1895 divisible by 5, 5 में क्या होता था कि उसका जो 1 डिजिट है वो 5 और 0 में एंड हो सकता था, वो दोनों में एंड हो सकता था. अगर वो दो डिजिट्स में कोई एक आ जाए एंड पे नंबर के, तो वो ठीक था, मतलब वो ठीक था कि ठीक है 5 आ गया, ठीक है, तो ये 5 से डिविजिबल. लेकिन 10 से डिविजिबल, 10 का क्या रूल है, सिर्फ 0 आएगा, 5 नहीं आएगा, वो सिर्फ 5 के रूल में लगता है. ठीक है, now let's solve that. Let's check if 1296 is divisible by 2, 3, 4 and 6, all the divisibility. I'm not checking about 9 and 10, but I'm just asking about these four numbers. Let's check. See, solution. Divisibility test of 2. See, given number 1296 is having 6 at one's place. So 1296 is divisible by 2. Right? Now divisibility of 3. Okay? Now let's check the sum. Right? So 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 9 is equal to 18. So 18 is divisible by 3. So 1296 is also divisible by 3. Divisibility test of 4. If the last two digits, see, as the last two digits 96 is divisible by 4. So 1296 is also divisible by 4. Divisibility test of 6. So what was the rule for divisibility of 6? It was that if the numbers divisible by both 2 and 3, both, ठीक है, both 2 and 3, ये both याद रखना, both 2 and एक से नहीं, both 2 and 3, तो it is also divisible by the 6. So as 1296 is divisible by both 2 and 3, we can see now over here it is both like completely divisible by 2 and 3. So 1296 is also divisible by 6. Understood? Now quiz time. Which of the following numbers divisible by 9 and 10 both? उससे एक नहीं, 9 10 both. ठीक है, तो क्या रूल लग रहा था कि अब यहाँ पे देखो आप, मैं बहुत ही अच्छे से आपको बता देती हूँ. 95 जो लास्ट टू ऑप्शन है सी और डी, अब या इनके जो एंड में 0 तो हो ही नहीं रहा है, तो 10 तो हटा ही दो, है ना, वो तो होगा नहीं, ये तो ऑप्शंस कट ही गए. अब इन दोनों में से देखो, ठीक है, इन दोनों के एंड में 0 आ रहा है, तो यानी ये दोनों नंबर 10 से डिविजिबल है. लेकिन देखते कि इनमें से एक ही जो नंबर होगा जो 9 से भी डिविजिबल होगा, दोनों से डिविजिबल होगा. ठीक है, तो 9 plus 0 plus 0, so 9, right? So 9 is also divisible by 9, है ना. तो this, the A option would be correct, that is divisible by both 9 and 10. ठीक है, now which number is divisible by both 6 and 9? Both 6 and 9. 6 के लिए क्या करना था, मैं 2 और 3 का भी करना पड़ा. ठीक है, both 2 और 3 का करना था. क्या करना था, 2 और 3 का बोथ डिविजिबिलिटी निकालना था. तो इस क्वेश्चन का आप आंसर मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में दोगे. मैं आपको बहुत सारा होमवर्क दिया, 2 क्वेश्चंस अभी तक दिए मैंने. नाउ विच नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 4, 6 एंड 10, ये भी आप कमेंट में देंगे. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग दिस session to it, and please just like and hit the like button. Please share and subscribe. Share it with your friends and family members who don't know about divisibility rules, and sharing is caring, okay? Right? Sharing is caring. So with this very good thing, let's end the class over here. Please hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye to each and every dear students of mine. Bye bye. Thank you so much for joining this session. I will meet you in the next session, and the next session would be on prefixes and suffixes. Okay? ये याद रखना, ठीक है। तो आप शेड्यूल बना लो, मैं आपको बहुत ही जल्दी शेड्यूल भी देने वाले हूँ अपने क्लासेस का कि इस डे पे कौन सा टॉपिक आएगा और कौन सा सब्जेक्ट आएगा। मेनली मैं यहाँ पे मैथ्स और इंग्लिश पढ़ाती हूँ अपने चैनल पे, और फनी शॉर्ट्स भी डालती हूँ, तो उनको भी देख लेना और सब्सक्राइब कर देना मेरे चैनल को, और सारी वीडियोस को लाइक कर देना। मैंने एक अलग से प्लेलिस्ट भी बना के रखी है स्टडी वीडियोस की, जिसमें बहुत सारे पढ़े हुए वीडियोस, उसको देख लेना, इंग्लिश मैथ्स दोनों के। तो और जीके के भी है वहाँ पे, ठीक है। तो बाय बाय एवरीवन, थैंक यू सो मच।